I'm back with the second installment of Abstract Watercolor Escape, and I'm determined to make you relax. Hi, my name is Fatih, a watercolor artist and an online teacher from Warsaw, Poland. When I'm stressed, when I need to chill, when I have a free afternoon, I make these beautiful watercolor paintings with Neurographic art, and it totally works. And later on, they are super pretty to look at. Win-win. Abstract Watercolor Escape is, well, an escape. For half an hour, 40 minutes, you can forget about your worries and focus on connecting the lines and making these organic, flowing shapes. When you combine this with watercolor, the results are delicious. You will practice your line drawing as well as your watercolor mixing skills while unwinding at the end of a long day. I wanted to make these classes, this is class number 2, because these paintings really helped me relax and be mindful while feeling very productive. So if I can make any of you stop from doom scrolling and grab a brush, that's my reward. This class is for anyone who is looking for a relaxing, meditative art practice to unwind at the end of the day. But besides these benefits, this class is a great way to enter the world of abstract paintings. We will use watercolors, watercolor paper, waterproof pen and brush pens during the class. In this episode, first we will save a slightly used paper with Neurographic art, and then we will paint our creation with watercolors. This is the painting we are going to make today. Nothing is sped up, so you can draw alongside me and end up with a painting of yours at the end of the class. After that, take a photo and share it in the class project gallery. Write down what's stressing you and if you are able to forget about it for a few minutes. This is it, people. Let's go and create something beautiful. What? Jack says this is too intense for a class claiming to be relaxing. So I will try my soothing voice. Let me get my microphone. If you are ready, please come in and let's be creative while relaxing. Don't touch anything. The next video will start automatically. See you there.